Tired of endless email chains and communication chaos? Let's streamline your teamwork by learning how to add a new member to your Basecamp project. First things first, log into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project you want to add a team member to. Look for the team option in the left sidebar and click on it. Now, you'll see a button labeled Add Someone New. This might also say Invite People to this project. Depending on your Basecamp version, give that button a click. A window will pop up prompting you to enter the email address of the person you wish to add. Type their email in carefully and double-check for typos. Next, you can define their permissions and access level. Basecamp lets you choose whether they are a standard team member or have admin privileges. For most users, standard team member is the appropriate setting. Before you send the invite, consider setting their notification preferences. You can choose how frequently they receive updates, such as daily summaries or instant notifications for specific events. Tailoring these settings will help them stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, click the Send Invitation button. Basecamp will then send an email to the new team member with instructions on how to join the project. You should see a confirmation message on your screen. That's it. You've successfully added a new member to your Basecamp project. By mastering these steps, you can foster better team collaboration and communication in Basecamp, ensuring everyone stays connected and informed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Basecamp tips and tricks.